Thank you, Daddy, and thank you, Chelsea, for the card.
Who's this from? I think it's from us. What is it?
Paintbrushes.
Paintbrushes.
Thank you, Chelsea and Daddy.
Ooh. It's a box you can decorate. Keep your stuff in.
Thank you, Chelsea. Thank you, Daddy.
Get on your cake.
Is this a Christmas present?
No, it's got Christmas wrapping on it.
Birthday Taylor, Uncle John.
Who's it from?
His birthday Taylor from Uncle John from Aunt Shannon.
Uncle Jonathan, Aunt Shannon.
Let's see what they got me.
Let's see what they got you. What is it? Stickers.
Stickers down mistake.
Mosaic.
Follow the numbers and place stick-on shapes on the pattern.
Cool.
This one's from Kinsley.
What?
Kinsley, buy your own presents for me.
Hurry up.
It's charms and bling. Create cool charms jewelry. Did I have this one before?
No. Cool. Say thank you.
Thank you, Kinsley.
And Shannon and Jonathan.
And Shannon Johnson.
It's a big present. You can open it right there. Just open it right there.
Heavy. Wait, who's this one?
Me and Chelsea.
The other paper.
What is it? Let me see.
It says make your own paper machine friend.
Mache friend. Cool. Can make a paper mache.
Thank you, Chelsea and Daddy.
Yay.
I'm going to save the big one for last.
Okay. It's a sketchbook. You can do your sketches in there and drawings and stuff.
Thank you, Chelsea and Daddy.
It's all my idea.
No, it wasn't. Don't listen to
What else you got in there? My phone's dying.
this. Is, oh, heavy.
Whoa, it's heavy. Your own paint set with an easel. Got a little easel on it.
Thank you.
Yay. Let's go do some painting and stuff. Love you. Happy birthday.
Thank you. I love all the stuff you gave me.
Yay. Okay, I gotta go charge my phone now.